If you wish to take a screenshot on OPPO Find X9 but you don't want to use buttons, then we have many different ways to do so. First, I'm gonna show you gesture screenshots. So with 3 fingers, you can, for example, swipe down like this from the top of the phone in order to capture the full screenshot. You can press and hold with 3 fingers and then swipe down in order to capture only partial screenshot, so only part of the screen should be captured like this. And of course, we can tap on this check in order to save it. You can also press and hold with 3 fingers, and then once you lift your fingers, you can just select the area with 1 finger. Of course, we can still adjust the cropped area quite easily, just like that. And of course, we can save our screenshot. And also, we can capture a scrolling or long screenshot if you open any app that is scrollable, or if you have a website that is scrollable. Then of course, we can just use 3 fingers again, just press and hold, and then scroll all the way down like this. And now we are taking a scrolling screenshot. We can still move up and down like this in order to select the area where to we want to extend the screenshot. And then we can tap on a done. Over here we can open the screenshot quite easily. And there we go. This is how it looks like. And besides gestures, we also have a couple of buttons that can be used to take a screenshot. For example, if you have the smart sidebar enabled, then you can go to the sidebar, and by default we have the screenshot option as well, so we can just use that. And also quick settings or the control center also has the screenshot option. In fact, we can tap on the name instead of the button itself. We can tap on a name in order to reveal all settings. So we can tap to select to capture a full screenshot. We can also choose partial screenshot like this, so then we can select the area. There we go. And of course, the same thing can be done for scrolling screenshot. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.